Yan na guys, magdadriving kami. Iwan ko na lang 10 days, 4,500. So ayan guys, excited. See you, ha!
I'm so sorry for dreaming about the future.
Guys, dito kami ni Mandira na guys. Kasi sasamahan ko si Mandira, magda-driving siya. Today where you are going? Today where you are going?
Yeah, driving center.
Yeah, driving center. Malapit lang dito guys, kaya nagbas na kami, hindi pa naman ganun kapuno. So ayun, see you!
Bye.
Pasok tayo dito guys. Where is their office? Ito, nag-inquire na daw si Mandira. Driving easily. So ayun guys, mag-inquire muna kami. Pasok tayo. What is this? The price? Ayan ang price nila pala. Ayan guys, sa scooter mura lang. Ito yung mga presyo guys.
2500 or 700 something ko.
You ask us.
चला मिल्दैन नि
Mag-ask muna kami
हजुर होइन
sa
प्राइस
15 days.
15 days
So ayun guys, magda-driving kami ni Mandira. 15 days sa amin. You fill up for me also. Ayan guys, mag-fill up muna
नाम ले
kami.
भैया दुईजना एउटै कार्ड बनाउनु 15 भने हैन
हजुर
एउटै कार्ड बनाउनु दुईजनाकै
कति घन्टा 1 घन्टा
Guys,
30 minutes
30 minutes lang guys. Tawa ko. Actually guys, napilitan lang si Mr. Payagan. Driving tayo, nakakatuwa. Kasi may nagda-driving din dalawa. 30 minutes lang guys, practice namin. So, 15 days ito. Wala guys, good luck sa amin ni Mandira. Ayan, tawa ko Hindi ko alam saan yan dadaan. Baka kung saan-saan na lang kami mamaya ni Mandira dadaan dito. Tignan nyo guys, maliit lang ito guys yung papraktisan. Okay lang kasi maliit lang yung yung scooter. Ayan, 30 minutes lang. Yung kasi Mandira. Nag-down muna kami tag 1,000 guys sa amin. Bukas namin. Dagdagan namin. Medyo mahal ang sasakyan. Guys, baka mawabundol namin yung sasakyan ito practice. Tawa ko guys Mabuti na lang maliliit yung scooter. Alam ko naman mag-driving guys. Dalawa kami ni Mandira. What? So guys, nagtanong din kami yung sa helmet. Bukas daw. Wala daw helmet ngayon. Guys, sana may maglagyan ako dito para makita nyo yung nagda-drive kami ni Mandira. Wala kasing kukuha ng video So ayun guys, antay pa kami isang motor. Kasi alam niyo ba guys, maliliit lang naman yung daan dito sa Nepal. Ako talaga gusto ko talaga guys matuto talaga mag-drive dito kasi mahirap pag hindi ka marunong dito ba kasi basta mahirap. So kaya sabi ko ayan, at saka dati na ako sinasabihan ni Ama na Mila mag-drive ka scooter kasi mga babae naman dito halos nag-drive scooter.
I don't know, I'm gonna fell down.
So dito pala guys iba. Pag gusto mo mag-aral ng automatic, hindi agad automatic ang ipapadrive sa'yo. Manual ka talaga guys, mag-start ka sa manual. Tapos ang ending is automatic sa last day ng iyong pagdadriving. 2 days lang daw yon kasi mabilis lang. Nagtataka ako, saan ang mga instructor? Si Tatang ata, he's the instructor.
Yeah.
Oo, siya din pala. How he will run to us? Tawa na naman ako sa kanya. Sabi ko, paano niya tayo habulin mamaya niyan? Diyos ko, Mandira, there is barbed wire, ha? Remember? So guys, tapos na kami ni Mandira. Ayan.
Our experience is good, but our hand is
Our hand is too much paining.
Yeah.
Kasi guys, 30 minutes.
30 minutes, yeah.
But at least it's not bad for our first day.
Mm.
Slowly, it will be easy for us.
Yeah.
At least may idea na guys, no? We have
Yeah.
idea now. No accident.
No fell down today.
No fell down because we have idea already.
Ah.
But at least we get little bit knowledge.
Yeah. Idea.
Sunduin namin si Johan and we will eat snacks. Then we will go home. Yeah. So ayun guys, mamaya ulit. Tingnan nyo guys, naglalakad kami, nagrally-rally sila dito oh. Konting rally lang, traffic agad eh. Yan mo sa eleksyon nila. No problem. Guys, antay kami ni Mandira oh, ng bus. Uuwi na kami, kakain na kami, we'll eat our snacks. And good experience today. Hindi nila inallowed si Johan na umuwi kasi mamaya ka daw ang uwian. O sige, kami na lang uuwi.
A few moments later.
So ayan guys, excited si Johan. May unboxing. Sabi niya, mama, gusto ko talaga ng mic. So inorderan ko siya online. Ay, wait, open properly, anak.
I think this is one.
Ay, it's open. How you will know? Kaya yan, tingnan. Sandali, tulungan ko muna. Wait, anak, the tape is here. Sandali, super excited. Tsaka talaga kahapon pa niya ito inaantay. Oh, hold. This one, open. Wait, slowly. Ayan, kahapon pa inaantay ng anak ko ito. Be careful. Excited siya talaga, oh. Wait, ito guys ang in-order ko. Gusto niya kasi hindi na siya makaantay. Buksan, sandali anak ko. Oh, don't damage. Ayan. Wow! Ito. May cord pala siya. Oh, ayan, may cord.
What is the mic?
That one, open. Ayan. Wow! Ayan, ganda siya agad. Ayan, ganda guys.
It's fine.
Yeah.
What fun is it?
So what you will say?
Huh?
What you will say?
Thank you, Mama. I think it's fine.
Saya-saya niya ako kasi magra-rap daw siya.
Ah!
Oh, si Mama.
Ah!
It's nice the mic. Ayan. So, sige na. Now, it's time to wash your face and hand na. Sige na. It's time to wash your face and hand. Ang ganda ng mic. Ang ganda ng mic, guys. Na in-order namin, oh.
I think you're telling the
1,600 ito. May cord din siya, oh. Ayan. Ito yung mga, niyo, oh. Mga iba pang mga gamit. Tapos ito, may siya, oh. May box, may case. Yan, dyan mo ilagay ang mic. Tapos ito yung packaging niya. Tapos, ayan. So, ayan guys. At kanta-kanta na kami dito. Anak, maybe we can put the battery.
Hey, I'm sorry. Do you think we're old enough?